What's roasting in this tortilla maker? I'm making Methi Masala Khakhra. This is a very easy way to do it. These are the khakras. You can see it's quite thin and crispy. And I have used masala thepla, debra dough to make the thin roti. So first I prepared the very, very thin roti and half cooked it on the stove. And once that is done, I am finishing roasting it in the tortilla maker. And as you can see, it doesn't take long. It may take like a minute or two, and it gets ready. You can store this for almost 15 to 20 days and serve it with masala chai. You can also prepare plain khakra using the roti dough, the regular roti dough. You have to follow the exact same procedure. So if you have the tortilla maker, I would highly recommend you to put it to good use and try this. You won't regret it.